So we're going to see how the Dreame L10S Pro Ultra cleans up these muddy paw prints. I've got it on its maximum wetness level. And I have it cleaning in the floor direction of the wood grain. And it's going to do 2 passes. Wow, it's doing a really good job. That's a really stubborn muddy stain. Okay, that's the first pass on this. It's going to go back, wash its mop pads that have captured the dirt, and come back for a second pass. Okay, it's going to return to the dock, wash the mop pads with hot water, then it's going to suck the dirty water up into the dirty water tank. Okay, what you'll hear is a series of pumps kicking on, and it's going to spin the mop pads. Okay, it's sucking the dirty water up into the dirty water tank. Now, I do love the Dreame app. You can see exactly where it's mopped. It will also take pictures of the obstacles that it has encountered. That's when I stood next to it. Here's the clean settings. I've got it mopping only. I got it on maximum wetness, and I do have it on a intense cleaning pattern. So the Dreame L10S Ultra Pro is able to extend its mop pad to mop right up next to the wall. Okay, it's time for round 2 with these muddy paw prints. It first went this way to clean them, now it's going the opposite direction. So the Dreame L10S Ultra Pro, it was not able to get all this muddy paw prints up. For everyday mopping, it does a really good job. I like that it can extend the mop pad right next to the wall. And I like that it has lots of water settings that you can put this on. And I do recommend putting it on a really high water setting. That does seem to help clean these floors a little better.